E36 again. Got the rear end fitted up now. We're waiting on bits for the subframe bushes and stuff like that. I didn't really want to do a video of just doing the little subframe and then the trailing arm stuff, so I wanted to do a complete video of it all fitted up. So yeah, I'll show you what we've been doing. Right, just a quick overview on the whole thing. Got the coilovers on, camber arms, trailing arms are in, subframes in, and then obviously same this side as well. Trailing arms and the subframe have been powder coated by Toby Byrne. Does a pretty decent job, to be fair. He sorts out a decent deal if you get loads of bits done. And then we've got the Wisefab solid front bushes there for the trailing arms. We've got new wheel bearings in. And we've also got the double caliper bracket from Born to Drift. We've got PMC bushes in here, top and bottom, so they're a lot better than standard, a lot like stiffer. Then we've got the Wisefab upper and lower camber arms, both sides. We've got Black Series poly bushes for the subframe, on all four obviously, and obviously the Diff bush. Right, so the last thing we're pretty much waiting for on the rear end is just the hubs that press in here, which hold the brake disc and obviously the caliper and stuff like that. I'm getting them re-drilled to jack fitment, 5x114.3, so I can run a bit bigger dish on my wheels. I've got work wheels, VSKFs, so they should look pretty gangster on there. I was going to run adapters, but I didn't really want to lose the pretty much like 25mm, 30mm dish, so hopefully I can get bigger dishes. I've got the rear brake discs being drilled as well. The rear calipers as well I need to strip down and get them powder coated in chrome to match all the trailing arms, so they should look pretty gangster when they're done. We've also just got the front lock kit through as well from Liam Stevens. 50mm laser cut arms, look really good quality. And then obviously these little bits welded in at the back and the modified hubs. We're going to get these all powder coated as well in chrome. Obviously sandblast these hubs off and chrome them as well. So I'll do another video of all that sort of stuff and all the front end, because we haven't really touched that. So yeah, good little bit of progress on the rear end. It's nice to get it on there and just all pretty much bolted up, so it just felt like it took for ages. So as always, like and subscribe, and don't forget to keep updated. Peace.